front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar. If your search bar is a widget, you can always hold it. And in order to delete it, drag it to Remove section at the top. Then let go. If you wish to delete this one from the bottom of your screen, you need to hold your device's display instead. Then tap on Home Settings and click on this blue switcher next to Show Quick Search Box. Then tap on Home button. So when I do that, as you can see, my Google search bar was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!